many automakers deciding to move to a completely electric vehicle offering, eliminating gasoline-powered engines, the world's largest automaker is taking a different path.
That's right. They're creating a wide product portfolio offering something for everyone. And as Dexter Henry tells us, Toyota is investing heavily in this approach.
Today, I am honored to announce an investment of $803 million that is sure to drive our team through the next 25 years.
Coming off of record sales results for the first quarter and the month of March itself, Toyota used that momentum to announce a new $800 million investment in its massive manufacturing facility in Princeton, Indiana. The world's largest automaker will add more than 1,400 new jobs.
It's a basis-clearing grand slam win for not just Toyota, but also for the state of Indiana, creating and rolling off the line world-class products.
The $803 million investment is in preparation to introduce two all-new yet-to-be-named vehicles to its current lineup, one being a Toyota and the second a Lexus.
Japan, our mother plant, the North American executives all feel like Toyota Indiana is really up for this challenge.
Since the first Tundra rolled off the production line in 1998, Toyota's total investment in the Princeton site is $6.6 billion. The 1,400 new employees will join a robust and dynamic workforce which has more than 7,000 working at the manufacturing center.
We will diversify our equipment to be able to build multi-car types in the same processes.
Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indiana currently assembles the all-hybrid Sienna minivan, the Highlander Hybrid SUV, and the Sequoia full-size SUV.
For our customers, these new vehicles are going to be amazing. They're perfect for the Gen Y adventurous families out there, and we really want to set the bar at a whole nother level.
Toyota has been enjoying record sales this year and significant growth in many signatories as states end lockdowns and people are starting to return to their offices and take to the nation's highways in higher frequency now.
Toyota is a shining example of how government and business can work together and achieve great results and continue a relationship.
Consumers have gone through a very trying year, but they're out looking for new automobiles that fit their needs. So it's a great time to be in the car business.
In June 2020, Toyota followed its pledge to invest $13 billion in its U.S. operations over a 5-year period, which is part of a broader commitment to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050 by bringing more electrified products to market. This is Dexter Henry.
The two new Toyota and Lexus electric future vehicles to be made in Indiana will join a full lineup of electrified vehicles that accounts for more than 40% of all alternative powertrain vehicles sold in the U.S. And these alternative powertrains include battery electric, hydrogen fuel cell electrics, hybrids, and plug-in hybrids.
That's a mouthful.
Extremely advanced stuff there. Absolutely. Wow.